Sup guys, it's Tenkosh, and today I would like to talk about Certik, the website from the project that's doing the analytics of the Web3 projects, of the NFT projects and startups, doing the smart contract audits and that kind of stuff. Really useful information for people who are looking for the new projects on the market and trying to figure out how they are doing and if they are safe to invest in. Before we start, small notice. I am not a financial advisor, so whatever I say here are just my thoughts. So if you want to invest in crypto, in NFT or in any other assets, you would like to consider your own thoughts and think about that before doing so. So yeah, make decisions based on your own assumptions. So there we go, the Certik website right here. You can see all the products listed over here. So that's security audit, the main thing that's they're doing, Skynet, which is on-chain monitoring and insight that helps you to keep track of things, KYC, which is analyzing the project team identity and actual personnel, so it's more personal, and additional things here that you can actually take a look at those yourself. And what do we need here on this website is this currently onboarding section. In this section we see all the projects that are being currently analyzed by Certik, and when they're done, that's the moment when most investors are going into it. So you can select any project over here. On example of GrabCoinClub, I will show you what to look for in those projects. So GrabCoinClub, there we go, it's number 357 right now. When it was released, it was in top 350, I don't remember the exact spot, but that position is actually really good because you can imagine how many projects there are, thousands, and being 355th is actually a really good result. So we are on a projects page on Certik, and here we see main things. Let's start from the top. So basically that shows you the name of project, rank, its network, its currency, basically what it is, metaverse, NFT. And here important thing is KYC. Basically KYC is analyzing companies' management, companies' personnel, and giving you the reward. Silver is the second tier, so there is a higher option, but it is really good. So you can see when the project started, when was the KYC happening, and after some time KYC will be re-evaluated with the new info that's like to be up to date basically. So it can change, it can stay the same, or it can improve at the same time. So that's how it works. Skynet here is just the tracker of the projects that are in the Certik. We won't go there for now because it will take too much time. What we need here is Skynet Trust Score. This index is really important. It's like overall, well, trust score from Certik, 80 of 100, which is really good. You can see the security score here and market and community score. Security score is basically a technical index, how technically safe the project, the smart contracts are and all that stuff. Market and community index is how it's being apprehended by the market, how social media are reacting to it and that kind of stuff. So those two are actually making the project's profile basically. Here on the right, you can see the graph with the scores. So on the y-axis, I remember the name, it's security score, and on x-axis, it's market and community score. And the higher it is, the more it is to the right top area, the better. As you can see, other projects that are kind of same have the same security score. So 80 is a really, really good security score for this one. For market and community score, it can be different. It can be well, depending on the project, but I would say that since the GrabCoinClub didn't launch yet, it's a really, really good score, because when it will get its first, alpha version out, when people can play it, I think it will increase because the social interaction will increase and overall markets interest in the product will increase as well. And overall, the position 86 is pretty good as well. It's like, come on, out of 100, that's good. So what else do we have here? We can see one audit that was happening, and it will get us down here. And here you can see the important moment, code audit history. This is basically what you need to know about the project. That's smart contract audit and all those things, technical moments. So here you can see the findings that were made during the audit, the unresolved ones. If those are there, that's not a good idea to think about that. So wait until to be resolved, because unresolved means that there are some serious issues there. There are acknowledged ones and partially and properly resolved ones. So those are all okay. Acknowledged is like, it's okay, we know that, but it doesn't harm the project itself, doesn't harm the code, so it's good. You can see what are those right here. So for example, if you want to get the major issues that are here, you can click here and you can see that user receives less dividend than expected. It's resolved now, so it was done. Then acknowledged initial token distribution. Here you can see what's happening on each of those points. So you can see, if you are especially if you're technically savvy, you can see all the code, everything over here. Like, look at that, that's actual code here. So you can see how it's being resolved or not. So if it's important for you, you can check it out over here. Then on the right we can see the ecosystem, which is like Polygon, Ethereum, as I said already. Finding performance, like most of the security finding has been addressed, so that's all good. And on the right here you can see the audited files for the GrabCoinClub. It was five files when usually it's one, so it's only 11 findings, 11 mistakes for 5 files. So that's actually really good. And as you can see here, it has been requested, like the timeline and the revision date over here. Now from here we go down to Skynet, which is basically here it's monitoring its social media. So it's Twitter stats, it's price stats, it's social activity like mentions, that kind of stuff. And again, graph with price and social activity. Those for the project that didn't launch yet, that are in the low key stage, where when they don't invest in marketing that much, should be pretty low. But as the project develops, if you know that it have promise, at some point it might skyrocket. So be careful about that and keep your eyes out for projects like this one. And basically, yes guys, those are the main things you want to take care of down there, because you can see the governance and autonomy that will kind of show the holders and all that stuff. Once again, if the project is new, it haven't been minted fully, it haven't been distributed fully, I mean, too early for that. But after some time, here you will get the info about the autonomy and governance as well. So what can you do with all that data? You can actually track the project that you like. You can just search them, add them to your favorite. You can sign up and that kind of stuff. You can add them to your favorites like this, and then keep track of changes, how they change over time, and if you like what's happening with them or not. Moreover, you can just go to the homepage here and look for the project that just recently released to invest in them, maybe, who knows, DeFi or that kind of stuff. And just how we went with GrabCoinClub, you can search for a specific project that you like and go for it and check out what's happening with the project that you need. So yeah guys, I hope this video helped you out, and now you know how to use Certik to actually track the project from the crypto world that you like. And let me know in the comments if you have any other questions and ideas for the future videos. We will consider them and make the video for you for that specific topic. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit a like for YouTube algorithm promotion, and check the pinned comment and the video description to know more about GrabCoin project if you're new here. That's a really nice idea to take a look at that. I strongly recommend that, and to other content of our channel. Other than that guys, thank you very much for watching. That's about it for now. Stand cautious out. Have a good one. Bye.